Hey everyone, today I'm here to introduce you one of the best abroad education destination that is called Russia. So, Russia is a transcontinental country in Eastern Europe and Central Asia.
Study in Russia is a higher education of top quality in the country with rich culture and traditions. As we all know that Russia has always been on the forefront in the field of education and more specifically medicine, engineering, aviation and aerospace. Russia has craved in the inch for itself when it comes to education. Besides to above mentioned specialization, Russia has been offering practically all specialization known to mankind. For example, there are above 50 medical colleges in Russia. All of these institutes are well equipped with excellent research labs and teaching staff. The Russian degree in medicine are globally recognized and have got excellent ranking by WHO and UNESCO. Russia has some of the top MBBS colleges in Europe. Out of 100 medical colleges in the world, 30 are in Russia. Students get a very broad exposure to clinical practice on account of the highly equipped multi-specialist government hospital in the country. Students opt to study MBBS in Russia. The greatest advantage is being the cost of MBBS in Russia, which is relatively low than Western countries, due to grant received from the government of Russian Federation. So studying in Russia is simple, easy, affordable and flexible. The international students are attracted by Russian universities because internationally recognized degree, no donation, no entrance, listed in WHO and MCI, simple application and admission process, English medium, the faculty of student ratio is 1:10, small class size is short that students get individual attention, high quality of education, low tuition fees and low cost of living, multicultural environment in which students live with international exposure, excellent education standards, perfect academic, sports and entertainment facilities.
MBBS abroad in Russia is once a lifetime experience for every student because that was the best destination for abroad studies. So today I'm here to introduce you some of the best education institution of Russia. I am Sachinov State Medical University, Kazan State Medical University, Paragov University, North Caucasus Federal University, Stavropol State Medical Academy, Lomonosov Moscow State University,
People's Friendship University, Privolsky Medical University.
These are the best universities of Russia. If you want to join any of the university for September session, because September session admission is already started. So hurry up, book your seat with us. WCI here to help you out for your best future. We are here to provide you the best facilities, full-fledged facilities for your abroad studies. So hurry up, contact us. Our contact details at the end of this video.
Contact us at given contact details.